Tbabys EZ-Ts, the ultimate one-piece leave-in tile leveling and spacing device with multiple tile installation uses. Tested by expert tile installers and DIY home improvement warriors alike, our system has proven to consistently deliver stunning results on floors and walls. The unique one-piece multi-use design saves both time and money and requires no additional tools. The EZ-T's beveled edge provides for ease of placement as well as wedge leveling option. When placing the EZ-T, it does not have to be perfectly placed in the grout line because of its unique round grout space feature. Regardless of the position of the EZ-T, the round feature will create the same grout space any way it is turned. The leave-in option eliminates the time spent on having to go back to remove spacers or stems at the end of the tile setting process, making it painless when it's time to clean up. The EZ-T is, in fact, the only spacer on the market that allows for freshly laid wet tile to be walked on and grouted immediately. EZ-T works great on base tile, bullnose, trim, chair rails, and most solid body tiles. In addition, the EZ-T works wonders on walls by holding tiles in place, preventing them from sliding down, and without spacers falling out while trying to adjust tiles. How annoying! Tiles are instantly spaced and leveled with minimal manipulation. The EZ-T is a completely leave-in product and can also be used on top of tiles as a traditional removable spacer and reused if desired. The EZ-T provides a simple, stress-free solution to that long-awaited home improvement project. It's also perfect for the everyday, highly in-demand tile installer. If you're ready to make the transition from an average Joe to a tile setting pro, we invite you to tile it with Tbabys EZ-Ts. It's literally skill in a bag.